tuning in, guys. I'm assuming since you're here, you're wondering how I installed a dimmer switch for the Ecobee Plus. If you guys haven't seen my Ecobee Plus review video, check out that one first and then come back to this. Now, one of the biggest gripes I had with that switch was that it was not dimmable. It was either on at 100% or off at 0%. And because I have 5 recessed lights in my bedroom, it was super bright all the time, and I couldn't stand it any longer. So luckily, I was at Home Depot and I was looking at some electrical outlets, and I found this dimmer switch. And luckily, also, I had an electrician on hand. So I decided to buy this one right here, and I figured in my head, I was like, why can't this just be installed after that switch? You know, the switch itself is still getting power, but this will control how much power those lights get after that switch is already on. So I talked to my electrician. He's like, absolutely, I can install this for you and it will work 100%. Now he was worried that it would maybe short out the Ecobee Plus, so he installed it with the power off, as you should, and then he turned it on, and guess what? It worked without any hiccups whatsoever. Now, he did install this onto the load side of the switch, so you have power that's going to the Ecobee Switch, so you can still use Alexa, and then it's going to the load to power the lights, and it's going to control how much power that light gets. So it is a solution. Is it the best solution where you can actually control the dimmer switch wirelessly? No, it's a physical dimmer switch, but at least I can set it like in the middle, and I can turn on and off the lights wirelessly with the Ecobee Plus. And using HomeKit or Alexa or Google Home, I can use it that way, but at least it's not full bright as can be. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. I hope it helps you guys out. If you did help you, please subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I answer those when I get a chance. And as you can see here, I'm going to do a little video just to show you how it works perfectly. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.
Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 6:36 p.m.
Alexa, what time is it?
It's 6:36 p.m.
Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.